Hello everyone, and welcome to yet another video tutorial on Novelty. And today we are going to be going over how to open and close screens with a key binding. And so our main goal today is to be able to open and close a screen using the press of a button on your keyboard. So for starters, I am going to go ahead and open Project from Templates, and I'm going to go ahead and use the sample novel interface already provided by Novelty. And we're just going to take a look at the screens here, and it looks like we got a set of saves and a set of loads, quit screen, the log screen. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's open our script editor, and here's our script editor here, and I am going to just elongate this a little bit. I like having floating windows just because it's easier to get around with. But we're going to name this key bindings, and as always you will be able to download this script once I have it uploaded, and it will be available for download. So yeah, let's get started. So we're going to type out an event. Oops, already typing wrong. And I apologize, you guys. Today I am not myself. I have recorded this thing like 10 times now. So, alright. So we're making an event, and this event is going to be a global event, and that's because what I want to do is open up the log screen, and I want this particular script to be available throughout the entire game. So instead of rewriting it over and over and over again, we're just going to use the tag of novel, and we're just going to type in .on key down. And what that means is literally a press of the button. If you had typed in perhaps on key up, you would have gotten this would literally say pressing the button, but on release is when this will happen. So we're gonna do it on key down just for the sake of this video. So we're gonna create a switch, and this is just pretty much the toggle, and it's going to be a key code, lowercase key, lowercase k, and capitalized C. And this specifies that we're using the keyboard to be able to do this switch, or this toggle, or however you want to call it. We're going to do open braces, and we are going to type in case, which refers to our keyboard, and we're going to type in key underscore L. Capital L. Everything's always capitalized when you're referring to your keys. And they do have a full list of the keys in Novelty, and I will also link that in case anybody needs that for reference. So let's go ahead and hit enter, and so now that we've defined the key that we will be using, we are going to go ahead and type in novel.openScreen. Open and close parentheses. Oops, semicolon. I tell you, I cannot type today. And novel.closeScreen. Open and close parentheses, semicolon. Now I did have to play around with this script a little bit. At first I thought, well, maybe we could just define it twice. And after playing around with it so much, I finally decided, you know what, let's try it this way, and it happened to work. So we are going to actually define the log screen right here. And that should conclude our script here. So we're gonna hit the save button and we're gonna hit build scripts. And if everything is written correctly, then you won't get any errors, you won't get any red lines or anything. So let's build scripts. And the script was successfully built. So we're gonna come over here, we're gonna hit the play button. And we're gonna just hit the L key to see if it works. And it does. And if we hit it again, it closes. And you can hit that as many times as you want. You just can't hit it like successfully or like in rapid motion because it doesn't quite catch on all of the hits, but that could be solved easily later. But anyways, so let's say you want another key binding. So you're going to hit the enter button and you're going to type in break. So we're gonna have like multiple case keys or something, and usually in your visual novel you're going to have a lot of key bindings, unless of course it's just click based, and that's fine. But for our tutorial, we're just going to go over another key. So let's say key S will open up the save files. So we're going to make it open up another screen, and I believe I saw save 1. Let me double check. Yes, I did. I saw save 1 right here. So save 1, end it with a semicolon, and of course novel.close screen. And end that with a semicolon. Alright, let's see if we did this correctly. And we have. So let's go ahead and hit the play button. And as we know, our log screen works. So if we hit the start button, let's see. We use the S key. Oh, so it does work. So there you have it, you guys. As always, this script will be available for download so that you can easily import your script into your project. And I will of course include all of my little notes everywhere, just so that you know what you're looking at. And so if y'all guys have any questions, any notes y'all guys would like me to put in there, anything that y'all guys would like me to go over again, feel free to send me a comment or send me a private message. It doesn't matter. I will get back to you and help you as best as I can. On the off chance that I can't, well, that just means I have some research to do. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and catch y'all guys later. Bye!